Well, the LA Productions Custom Car Show is set for Sunday, March 8th at Tyrrell Park. We have Lashon Proctor joining us this morning with all the details. We talked to him last year about the same event, so it must be a good one, and 8 years of testament to how great the event is. Tell us about it.
Yeah, it's an exciting event that's coming along. Again, this is the annual car show. Just thing that we've done. We have a really good turnout, really good community event for families and friends, and people to just come out and just have fun. Show off their cars, because one thing that we often look at, we say, what's a good talking point?
Yeah.
And there's always a few things that's talking points that just bring people together: cars, music, sports. Yeah. Those are the things that, just bring families and bring people together. So it's something that the community has really been a part of, has really enjoyed, and we think it's been pretty successful.
Yeah. We talk about communities. We just talked about the film and music community here in Southeast Texas, but the car community is a whole other one. I know lots of people who are involved in that, and motorcycles, all the things when it comes to their hobbies, right? So I'd imagine that that's going to be a pretty good turnout just for that alone.
Yeah, and that's the thing. Like you said, we have a lot of things going on here, but cars, and now you got side-by-sides and motorcycles and trucks, and just things that people are just putting money into, and it's something that I think it's toys and things that people enjoy, like you said, hobbies, things that I think most people that put them together themselves can really appreciate that, because again, what do we want to do? We want to show off, what we've done. So it's just something good for people to come and just show what they've done. Communities and businesses to come in and just show what they do, because sometimes businesses put them together, and they all out there as well. They're welcome to come, set up booths to just show off their product, present what they have, and then, open it up to the public. So.
Good deal. Lots going on.
I was gonna say, I remember last year you talking about just how crowded it was going to be. How many cars are you expecting this year?
It's kind of hard to say, but we're hoping. Last year we think we had probably about 2,500 people.
Wow,
out there.
That's a lot of people.
A lot of people just bring the cars. Not everybody show them and things like that. But we're hoping to have a bigger turnout. The city has really helped us with more parking and things like that, because again, in Tyrrell Park, it's a little bit congested with parking. But they've opened up some other areas for us for parking. So we're thinking that it's going to just be a better flow. So as it grows and more people coming, I know we just had a lot of people from other areas, Houston and different places like that said they were coming. So those are just things that we think is going to be quiet a bit.
Yeah, okay, and I'm seeing all these photos from years past. I saw a little trophy. So there's awards given out, and it looks like a whole lots of fun going on too.
Yeah, so we give trophies, different categories. So as you've seen, you have side-by-side, you have cars, vintage cars, older cars. We're going to do dualies. So it's just a lot of different categories, and then we do trophies for those. We do for each category, and then we do best, of show trophies. So again, as we grow, trophies are able to get better, and things like that, So just doing some things different this year. Try to make it better, to try to just show people that we really appreciate them coming out and just being present and just helping us with the event.
Yeah, I like this too. It says free admission, so that way you can just kind of go in and just look around if you're not bringing a car or anything like that.
That's correct. It is free to the public, free to everyone. Only persons that's going to be charged is if you want to present your car in the car show. Outside of that, they have vendors. We're going to have vendors that's going to be there. As I said, people that have businesses, car parks, different things like that. So it's just open. We don't want to have it to where it's a burden to anybody to pay. It's free. Bring your family. It's going to have jump houses. Fire department is helping us with that thing they did last year as well. So those are things that we're just grateful for, those people in the city just coming in and just helping and be a part, because it is a city event.
Yeah.
And we just want to be able to make it better. It's one of those things where I wish we could bring back the 11th Street Cruise. If you ever seen that, where we used to just do that. It was a big thing here in the city, and it kind of got away. So this is just something that we hoping that we can just catapult different things. We want the city to grow, right? We want different things in the city. So we're just hoping that we can use this and just kind of just spin off from it and just put other things in place to where we can really just have this city, because like you said, the things that we have going on, we have a lot of things that's just people are sleeping on, and if I would appreciate you guys helping us get it out there and all of the other things. So we just want to be able to have it to be something that we can be proud of in this city.
Yeah, well, it seems like there's going to be a lot going on, which is something to be proud of in itself.
Yeah,
okay, so if folks are interested in registering their cars, how can they do that?
Yeah, as well as we have a number, and then the number's on the flyer. So again, we just ask that they call the number 409-350-1016. I think that's the number that's on there. Just call the number, register cars. We have registration forms. We can email those to you, text them to you, however it is that they want to get them. We just have them to be able to get the forms out, get those things to where they can participate. Any vendors do the same. And we're here. We're here to help, and we're just excited that this is going on, you know, and that we're expecting a great turnout for it.
Yeah, a good film, good event.
Yeah, it definitely does. Okay, give us one more time, just time, place, and when it's happening.
Yeah, so it's Tyrrell Park. It's going to be on March 8th. It's going to be from 2 to 6. And again, registration, call us, get your forms, reach out to us on Facebook, reach out to us, you know, via cell, whatever it is that you need, whatever is going to be the easiest for you to call us and get us in, and just come out. We just asking, bring the kids. It's going to be fun. You know, it's going to be real fun, family oriented. A lot of people there just to kind of get in. Get there early, you know, get your spot if you want to be able to have a nice spot to park and things like that. And then again, those persons that's registering their cars, they're the only ones that's going to be charged for that. And come in and get in, and we're going to have fun.
Yeah, there you go.